Okay, I'm making this video to demonstrate something kind of strange. I don't understand the behavior, so I just want to document this. I'm going to draw a simple triangle with a regular line. Now I'm going to use I've already used Pettit Accept to automatically turn this into a polyline when I use Pettit. Okay, multiple. Now I'm going to close this polyline configuration. I just closed it. Okay. Now I'm going to explode it. Now I'm going to move it. Okay, so where did this second triangle, the second set of lines, sort of one laid over the other, come from? Doesn't make any sense to me. The reason why, the way I encountered this was that I'm going to do this again. It's worthwhile for me to take time to do this, just in case anybody can see this, and they might be able to help me. Okay, so this is a set of regular lines. Now I'm going to use the Pettit crayon to turn it into a polyline and close it. All right, let's go multiple. I have it set so when I do that, it automatically turns these lines into polylines. I'm going to close them now. So here's where I encountered this issue with two triangles, one on top of the other, that I have no idea why that happened. So after I turned this into a polyline and closed it, I go to fillet. I want to fillet these. Let's see, it's like radius 0.3, let's say, and we'll do multiple. So boom, boom. Okay, so lines belonging to polylines must be consecutive or separated by one segment. All right, so come in here close. You'll see it filleted it, but there's another line here. So I noticed that there's an extra triangle underneath this triangle that was created. I have no idea why. Anyway, so I need to end the video. It's kind of going long. So that's something I have no idea why I did that.